In this video, we're giving an honest review of the Zeta Marketing Platform, an AI-powered solution designed to help brands acquire, grow, and retain customers more efficiently. Zeta combines a customer data platform (CDP), email service provider (ESP), and demand-side platform (DSP) into one system, allowing marketers to centralize data, personalize messaging, and optimize campaigns across multiple channels. The platform uses AI and proprietary data to predict customer intent, enhance engagement, and drive growth. Users appreciate its intuitive dashboard, which makes monitoring campaigns and tracking customer interactions easier, as well as its responsive support and seamless integration between CDP and ESP. However, some note a steep learning curve and a need for better training resources due to the platform's complexity. Overall, Zeta is a powerful tool for brands that can leverage its full capabilities, but smaller teams or those new to advanced marketing platforms may need time to adapt. If you found this review helpful and want more honest insights into marketing tools, subscribe for regular updates and reviews.